Hello all. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Today we're diving into a topic that is transforming analytics teams, business decision-making, and the future of data science itself: automated data storytelling with AI tools. Data storytelling is no longer just about charts. It's about clear narratives, contextual insights, and business decisions generated automatically by AI. And trust me, this is going to be massive. Before we talk about automation, let's start with the fundamentals. Data storytelling means taking raw numbers, deriving insights, turning them into meaningful, human-friendly stories that help decision-makers act. It combines data, logic, communication, and business context. Traditionally, analysts manually explore data, find patterns, and summarize them in presentations or reports. Automated data storytelling changes everything. Automated data storytelling means using AI tools that take structured or unstructured data and instantly generate insights, narratives, explanations, summaries, recommendations, predictions, next steps, with zero manual analysis. These tools don't just describe what happened, they analyze why it happened and what to do next. Businesses today generate more data than humans can process: sales logs, marketing metrics, customer behavior, sensor data, financial dashboards. Leaders don't have time to read dashboards. They want quick, clear, actionable insights. AI storytelling solves time consumption, human bias, overload of metrics, repeated manual tasks, and provides consistent, repeatable insights. Let's break down the workflow behind automated storytelling. Step 1. Data ingestion. AI reads from CSVs, databases, APIs, dashboards. Step 2. Pattern recognition. Machine learning detects anomalies, correlations, clusters, trends. Step 3. Insight extraction. The system identifies top gainers, top losers, revenue drops, seasonal peaks, customer segments, outliers, significant features. Step 4. Narrative generation, NLG. Using LLMs, the AI writes narratives like, revenue increased 14% due to higher demand in the North region. Step 5. Recommendations. Some tools even suggest marketing actions, operational improvements, price changes, sales strategies. This turns analytics into complete automated decision support. Here are industry-leading tools that automate data storytelling. 1. Microsoft Power BI Smart Narratives. Automatically generates insight paragraphs from visuals. 2. Tableau GPT/Einstein Analytics. AI-generated data summaries inside dashboards. 3. Google Looker plus Gemini. Conversational analytics and automated insights. 4. Narrative Science/Quill, one of the earliest NLG-powered data storytelling platforms. 5. MonkeyLearn/Akkio/Obviously AI. Generates easy, no-code insights for business users. 6. ChatGPT plus custom data pipelines. Upload data, ask questions, get narratives instantly. These tools reduce hours of analysis into seconds. Automated data storytelling is transforming industries, retail and e-commerce, predicting product demand, explaining price sensitivity, customer segmentation insights, healthcare, patient trend summaries, operational efficiency insights, diagnostic pattern explanations, finance, risk alerts, fraud detection summaries, market trend narratives, hospitality, revenue breakdowns, seasonality analysis, cancellation insights, manufacturing, production anomalies, predictive maintenance summaries. Anywhere there is data, I can generate stories. Here's why companies are rapidly adopting this technology. For instant insights. For data democratization, non-analysts can understand data. For consistency across reports. For faster decision-making. For reduced dependency on analytics teams. For higher accuracy with ML-driven insights. For saves hours per week. This is not just automation, it's intelligence. Of course, automated storytelling is powerful, but not perfect. Over-reliance on AI wrong insights if data quality is poor. Missing deeper business context bias in ML models. Lack of interpretability in some tools needs human oversight. I can explain what the data says, but humans must validate why it matters. You can build your own storytelling engine using 1. Python plus NLG plus LLMs. Libraries like Pandas Learn GPT APIs LangChain LIDA by Microsoft 2. RAG plus company data. Feed dashboards plus SQL results into a RAG pipeline to generate narratives. 3. Agentic storytellers. AI agents that pull data, analyze, summarize, report. This is incredibly powerful for enterprise analytics teams. In the next 5 years, expect robot fully automated dashboards, brain, real-time context-aware insights, bar graph storytelling, embedded in BI tools, studio microphone, voice-based insights, puzzle piece, agents that prepare weekly reports, rocket AI co-pilots for decision-making. We are moving from dashboards to decisions as a service. Automated data storytelling is not just a trend, it's the future of analytics. If you want to build AI products, dashboards, or storytelling engines for your business or clients, feel free to connect with us. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed this deep dive, check out our other videos on agentic AI, RAG, and no-code AI tools. Like, share, subscribe, and keep exploring the future of AI. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.